Are you tired of playing a losing game of whodunit with the mysterious odor coming from your drain? Don't worry, dear detectives. We have the perfect guide on how to get rid of drain smell to help you banish those pesky smells and transform your home into an olfactory oasis. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Identify the cause of the drain smell. Let's discuss the different causes of that unpleasant drain smell and see how we can identify them. Blocked or slow draining pipes. One of the main reasons for a stinky drain is when your pipes get clogged or are draining slowly. This can be due to a buildup of hair, grease, soap scum, or other debris. To identify this issue, observe the flow of water down the drain. If you notice that it's slower than usual or water is pooling, it's likely that you have a blockage. You can also take a look at the drain cover for any visible buildup. Dry P-traps. The P-trap is the U-shaped pipe beneath your sink. Its primary function is to keep sewer gases from entering your home by trapping a small amount of water. When the P-trap dries out, it loses its ability to block those unpleasant smells. To check if your P-trap is dry, remove the drain cover and look down the drain with a flashlight. If you don't see any water in the curve of the pipe, it's likely that the P-trap has dried out and needs to be filled with water. Sewer gas or septic issues. Sewer gas or septic issues can also cause a foul smell from your drain. This usually occurs when there's a problem with your home's plumbing system, such as a broken sewer vent cap or a blocked vent pipe. To identify these issues, go outside and inspect your home's sewer vent pipe for any cracks, breaks, or blockages. If you have a septic system, check for any signs of problems, like standing water or foul odors around the septic tank area. In these cases, it's best to consult a professional plumber to address the issue. Bacterial growth and biofilm. Biofilm is a slimy substance formed by bacterial colonies that can grow inside your drain pipes, leading to unpleasant smells. Bacterial growth is often the result of organic materials, like food particles or soap scum, accumulating in your pipes. To identify this issue, remove the drain cover and take a closer look. If you see a slimy or discolored substance, it's likely that you have a buildup of biofilm. Perform basic drain maintenance and cleaning. First, grab your plunger and place it over the drain opening. Press down firmly, creating a seal between the plunger and the drain. Then, push and pull the plunger quickly, maintaining the seal. This will create suction to dislodge any blockages. Repeat the process a few times until the water starts flowing more freely. Next, it's time to take care of the drain cover. With your gloves on, carefully remove the drain cover and inspect it for any debris, like hair or soap scum. Use an old toothbrush or a small brush to clean off the buildup. Rinse the cover thoroughly and set it aside. If you suspect there's a stubborn clog deeper in the pipes, it's time to bring out the drain snake. Insert the end of the snake into the drain and slowly push it further down the pipe. As you encounter resistance, twist the handle to break up the clog. Keep pushing and twisting until you've worked through the blockage. Then, carefully pull the snake out of the drain. Now that you've addressed any blockages, it's time to flush the drain with hot water. Boil a kettle or a large pot of water, then carefully pour it down the drain. The hot water will help wash away any loosened debris and can assist in breaking down residual buildup. Deep clean the drain. To start the deep cleaning process, measure out half a cup of baking soda and slowly pour it down the drain. The baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive that will help break down any remaining grime and neutralize odors. Next, measure out 1 cup of white vinegar and pour it down the drain on top of the baking soda. The vinegar reacts with the baking soda, creating a fizzing action that helps further dislodge buildup and kill bacteria. Now, let the mixture sit in the drain for about 15 to 30 minutes. This allows the fizzing reaction to loosen up any stubborn grime and reach deeper into the pipes. Once the waiting time is up, boil a kettle or a large pot of water. Carefully pour the hot water down the drain. The hot water will wash away the baking soda, vinegar, and any loosened debris, leaving your drain clean and fresh smelling. Maintain a clean P-trap. To maintain a clean P-trap, make sure it always has water in it. Simply run the faucet or pour a few cups of water down the drain. This helps create a water barrier that blocks sewer gases from coming back up through the drain. Over time, P-traps can develop leaks or cracks due to wear and tear or corrosion. Regularly inspect the P-trap beneath your sink for any signs of damage. If you find any leaks or cracks, repair or replace the P-trap as soon as possible. This not only helps prevent unpleasant odors, but also keeps your plumbing system functioning properly. Address sewer gas or septic issues. Sometimes, despite all your efforts to clean and maintain the drain, you may still experience unpleasant odors. In these cases, it's essential to address any potential sewer gas or septic issues. Sewer vent caps help prevent debris and animals from entering your sewer vent pipe. It's also responsible for releasing sewer gases safely outside your home. Start by locating your home's sewer vent pipe, typically found on your roof. Inspect the vent cap for any damage, like cracks or breaks. If you find that the cap is broken or missing, replace it to prevent any further issues. Blocked sewer vents can also cause unpleasant drain smells, as they prevent sewer gases from venting properly. While inspecting the vent cap, check for any visible blockages or debris inside the vent pipe. You may need to use a flashlight for a better view. If you find a blockage, carefully remove it or call a professional plumber if you're unable to reach it. If your home has a septic system, it's important to schedule regular maintenance with a professional plumber. Septic system issues, like overflowing tanks or damaged components, can cause strong odors around your home. A professional plumber can inspect, diagnose, and fix any septic system problems, ensuring that your system is functioning correctly and reducing the risk of unpleasant smells. Prevent bacterial growth and biofilm. Let's talk about how to prevent bacterial growth and biofilm, which can contribute to that pesky drain smell. Use an enzyme-based drain cleaner. Enzyme-based drain cleaners are a fantastic option for keeping your pipes free of organic material and biofilm buildup. These cleaners contain natural enzymes and bacteria that break down the substances causing the smell. To use an enzyme-based drain cleaner, simply follow the manufacturer's instructions. Typically, this involves pouring the cleaner down the drain. Then, allowing it to work for a specified amount of time before flushing it with water. Regularly clean and disinfect the drain. Keeping your drain clean and disinfected is essential for preventing bacterial growth. Incorporate the baking soda and vinegar deep cleaning method we discussed earlier into your regular cleaning routine. This will help keep your drain fresh and reduce the chances of biofilm formation. In addition, you can use a mild disinfectant periodically to kill bacteria and eliminate any lingering odors. Keep the drain cover clean and free of debris. Don't forget about the drain cover. A clean drain cover is crucial for preventing bacterial growth and ensuring proper water flow. Make it a habit to remove and clean the drain cover regularly, clearing it of any hair, soap scum, or debris. Take preventative measures. To keep your drain smelling fresh and functioning properly, it's essential to follow some preventative measures. Let's go over a few of these helpful tips. Regularly clean and maintain drains. Make drain cleaning and maintenance a part of your regular routine. This includes using the baking soda and vinegar cleaning method, keeping the drain cover clean, and inspecting the P-trap and sewer vents as we discussed earlier. Consistent maintenance will help prevent unpleasant smells and keep your plumbing system in good working order. Avoid disposing of grease, oil, or food debris in drains. Be mindful of what goes down your drain. Grease, oil, and food debris can contribute to blockages and bacterial growth. Instead of pouring them down the drain, dispose of them in the trash or a designated container. Use a drain strainer or screen. A drain strainer or screen is a handy tool that helps catch hair, soap scum, and other debris before they enter your drain. Place a strainer or screen over your drain to capture these materials and clean it regularly to prevent buildup. Consider using natural deodorizers such as citrus peels. Natural deodorizers, like citrus peels, can help keep your drain smelling fresh. After you've cleaned your drain, you can toss some lemon, lime, or orange peels down the garbage disposal or into the drain, followed by a quick flush with water. The citrus peels will release a pleasant scent that can counteract any lingering odors. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.